To abandon facts is to abandon freedom. If nothing is true, then no one can criticize power, because there is no basis upon which to do so. If nothing is true, then all is spectacle. The biggest wallet pays for the most blinding lights.
Want to go straight into the first main words that pop into our head. So, facts. It's quite a grim text, very powerful text. We know that birds represent freedom. We're going to have a bird here sitting on the tree. So this is an obvious contradiction, that the bird is going to go inside the cage. So here's the door. So we play with all these things to wake up your imagination. I use a lot of text, also symbolism. So there we have a classic image to match the first bit of our script. Okay, so we've got a bird's cage, a gilded cage, let's say. We've got our tree that the bird lives in, the text facts, lies, and then of course we move on to power. So again, I do a sort of animation of a character moving up from the ruins of truth, and we want it to grow out of the word truth, and out of that rubble we have, I'll have it falling down that way, and then we'll have the rubble, and then this hand coming out holding a suitcase full of money. So there's also the danger that you can do too much of a stereotype. So I like to try to stay as more using imaginative design rather than stating the obvious. And then we have the word power in there. And this is pretty much how facilitation works. And I can have it all building up on the page as well. And it's so powerful, it's so clear. If you had just read the text or heard it very briefly, you might not have got the real point of the script. So let's hear it again and come join us at Quick to Draw and create your own facilitations for your conferences or videos.
To abandon facts is to abandon freedom. If nothing is true, then no one can criticize power, because there is no basis upon which to do so. If nothing is true, then all is spectacle. The biggest wallet pays for the most blinding lights.